Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this a world-renowned Indian dish which is called biryani, and this is done in clay pot, or we call earthen pot. It's cooked on a stove top. How the process of biryani is. It takes time and practice to make, but it is worth every bit of the effort. It's made with basmati rice, or in this recipe I'm making it with jeera masala rice, which is a popular rice in southern part of India. In this recipe, I have biryani with chicken added to it, and we have egg which are boiled, and also I have a side dish prepared with shrimp. So it's going to be very rich, authentic Kerala style biryani recipe that I'm going to share in this. But there is so many different recipes for biryani. It varies from different culture, religion. It differs, every state has their own style of making biryani, and this is one of our style that I learned from my mom. So let's see how to do this. Here I'm taking 2 cups of rice. In another vessel I'm going to take 4 cups of water, adding raw spices like cinnamon stick, black pepper, cloves, cardamom. This gives a very nice flavor to the rice that we're making. So as I mentioned, biryani is going to be very aromatic and full of flavor. It smells so good. And in this recipe, I'm going to make it with ghee. I'm going to roast the cashew here and raisins. We will do it until we get the nice brown color on these cashew, and you can see the raisins. Similarly, I have sliced onion here. These are for garnishing. In the end, you will see how we do the garnish. So here I'm adding little sugar to caramelize it quickly. This is for garnishing that we are setting aside. Now I'm going to add little ghee to the rice. Water is almost boiled. Ghee gives a very nice smell to the recipe. The rice, the basmati rice, or in this like I'm making jeera masala rice, it gives a very nice flavor. And here I've added the boiled water. We are boiling eggs on the other side. Now let's prepare the masala for the biryani. So here I'm taking 2 big onions. Slice it like this. Next, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, once you add the salt, the onions cook faster. So you have to keep stirring it. Everything is being cooked on medium heat. We have ginger garlic here, coarsely crushed. Mix it. Here I'm taking 3 tomatoes. Cut it like this, add to the onion mix and mix it well. Rice is almost done. Now we are going to marinate the chicken here. Here I'm adding salt, red chili powder, turmeric, little coriander powder. This is nicely marinated. Now we're going to cook it. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll add the tomato paste that we made, tomato and onion mixture that we made. We're going to add to this. Add cilantro. This is garam masala. I'll share the link for this garam masala that I make at home. It's a homemade garam masala. It's like a blend of all the spices like cinnamon stick, black pepper, cardamom, cloves, all blend together. Here I'm adding green chili. I'm making shrimp here, but the recipe I will share the link in the description below. Now it's ready to be slow cooked. So I'm going to do this on using this clay pot. Here you can see we layered it with chicken first, then the rice, then I'm putting cilantro here. We're going to slow cook this for an hour or more. The more it will be more tastier. I have placed this on a cast iron. We don't put the clay pot directly on the cooktop because we want it to be slow cooked. So I'm going to do this for an hour. I have placed it on top of the cast iron here. So here we are garnishing it with the caramelized onion, cashew nut, raisins. The whole house smells so aromatic, very good. It smells really good. The chicken is very flavorful. So layer by layer, we'll put chicken, then we have rice, we have the caramelized onion, all the nuts like cashew nut, raisins are there. Some add food color, or we can add saffron also. This is paired with yogurt, the yogurt that has onion and tomatoes finely chopped, and we add green chilies to the yogurt, and we can have a chutney or like we normally have a dip. We have a mint chutney prepared that goes well with this. I'm adding saffron here for extra flavor. Also, I will add rose water. This is one dish that we prepare when there's a big party in the house, when we have a big gathering. We love to make this recipe, as this is one recipe that everybody enjoys, be it adult, kids, everyone enjoy. Even if it's from different culture people, they enjoy this recipe because it is so aromatic, so flavorful and rich with everything. Everybody loves their spicy chicken. And I mentioned this is going to be mild recipe, not very hot, but yeah, tasty, very good recipe. I'm adding little garam masala on top of it. Placing the boiled eggs on top like this. Look how tasty it looks. So I slow cooked it for 1.5 hours. We have to close the lid and let it cook at the lowest heat, and all the flavors from the chicken, the rice, everything combines. It tastes really good. Next level recipe. I hope you enjoyed my biryani recipe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.